Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will explore D-Wave Quantum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 1st of August, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.15. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 48.58% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 21.99% and 91.20%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 650.67%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 411.61% to 853.56% over the next year. This would imply a future price ranging between $83.80 and $156.19. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock downgraded to sell candidate. The stock price of D-Wave Quantum Inc. declined by 4.71% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, dropping from $17.19 to $16.38. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.77%, ranging from a low of $16.11 to a high of $17.04. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 of those days, resulting in a total decline of 13.29%. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is a positive indication as volume typically follows price movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 7 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $494.69 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $20.56, while the lowest price was 75.1 cents. Currently, the price stands at 20.33%, or $4.18 below the 52-week high of $20.56, which is also the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the ticker QBTS, has emerged as a prominent player in the rapidly growing quantum computing sector, which is projected to surge from a $4 billion market in 2024 to an astonishing $72 billion by 2035. Recent developments include D-Wave's announcement of a strategic initiative focused on advanced cryogenic packaging, enhancing its capabilities in quantum processor development. This strategic advancement signals strong potential for both product innovation and market position, which could positively impact investor sentiment in the short term. The company is also generating optimism with the unveiling of its quantum artificial intelligence and blockchain tools, aimed at boosting enterprise adoption and suggesting a robust sales strategy. Following a remarkable 97% surge in stock value in the second quarter, investor focus is now sharpening on upcoming earnings reports that may clarify revenue trajectories and operational growth. However, as the stock approaches a premium valuation, there are concerns about potential normalization in revenue. D-Wave's shares nearly doubled year-to-date, recently breaking previous resistance levels. And while this rally showcases strong investor interest, it comes with the inherent risk of volatility as the company stabilizes its performance post-evaluation peak. The strategic growth initiatives, combined with a favorable market outlook for quantum computing, position D-Wave Quantum favorably for both short-term gains and long-term viability, contingent on maintaining competitive advantages amidst industry growth. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of June 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have issued a general strong sell rating for D-Wave Quantum stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned a strong sell rating to the stock, period. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near short-term development. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $17.90 and $16.48. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 19.31%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 117 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 190 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $16.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 93 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.77%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 8.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal ongoing profitability issues and pose a risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts are currently estimating a loss of $0.07. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $16.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $16.33. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of July, 2025, Nguyen Dian executed an insider sale of 4,066 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. performed an insider sale of 8,607 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Also, on July 21st, 2025, Barrett's Allen E. conducted an insider sale of 33,778 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Earlier, on the 20th of June, 2025, Nguyen Dian executed an insider sale of 2,501 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. also conducted an insider sale of 10,584 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.861. Overall, insiders purchased 44,794,587 shares and sold 87,210,925 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum Inc. will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After studying the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open higher by 13 cents and start trading at $16.51. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.